Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel OJ Marketing. Right here in today's video guys, I'm about revealing to you an amazing strategy that you can use to make money right now with CPA marketing. I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step guide from getting your amazing content that you want to lock, you're utilizing a content locker, to also going on to creating a simple landing page right now utilizing this platform right here called the sites.google.com, and also go on to promoting that particular offer right now. So guys, I would like you to stick on to the end of this video to learn this simple strategy. If you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you can make money online, both with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the use of other AI tools. If you do like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right there. And guys, you could also make sure you subscribe to the channel, and your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I do drop some cool and amazing videos that could help boost your income online. With that being said guys, let's dive right into the video of today. So we're going to start off with this platform right here called Cpagrip. If you don't have an account, you can also always register for one. And if you do register, go on to logging into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you want to come onto this URL file locker section. By clicking on monetization tool, select the drop down list which will be showing you URL file locker. Select that. You'll be brought to this page, of which you can just simply click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and you want to just simply go on to selecting this template section, and you could select this particular file download template. Head back to general. You want to give your locker a name, and right here in this locked URL section guys, what we're going to be locking is an amazing content, which is a free PLR that we can actually get from platforms like freeplrdownloads.com, idplr.com. and you can see right here that these are all cool and amazing platforms where you could get free PLR and go on to giving out to your audience for absolutely free. You could get PLR on any niche of your choice, ranging from addiction to affiliate marketing to blogging, business, camping, copywriting, ClickBank, email marketing, entrepreneur, Facebook, finance, family, and a lot more niches right here. As you can see, the niches are numerous right now. You could get free PLR on any of these niches right here. So once you do that right now, maybe I want to utilize this platform. I can just simply focus on a book right now, maybe how to make money on Fiverr, and if I do search for that right here, I'll be able to see a lot of cool ebooks on making money on Fiverr right now. So what I'm going to do is to just simply click on this first one right now. After signing up to this platform, you can just simply go on to downloading the ebook for absolutely free. Once you download the ebook for free right now, you just need to go onto a very cool platform called the mediafire.com. This is a very cool platform that works similar to the same way Google Drive actually works. You can go on to uploading a content on this platform and getting a link to that particular content. So all you need to do is to sign up to this platform by clicking on any of the sign up option. And if you do sign up right there, you want to log into your account, you could actually click on this upload icon, click on this plus, go on to selecting that particular ebook. As you can see, this is the ebook on my device. If you do click on open right here, the ebook will be selected, and you can see the size of the ebook right here, which is actually a complete ebook right there, having different classes right now that you can just simply go into utilizing right there. That's a full guide on making money on Fiverr. So once you're done, just simply click on begin upload. Your uploading will begin immediately. But you can take a look at the ebook right here. I already have the ebook on this particular section. This is the ebook. You can just simply click on it right now. You can actually click on these three dots. You could copy the link to the ebook, head back to your URL file locker, paste in that particular link right here in this section, and go on to editing all these other sections to fit into that ebook. So you can see right now, I've successfully went on to editing every section to fit into that ebook right here. Both the size, the uploaded date, the name, the last downloaded date, and every other section right there. You could also see right now that even the title, I actually named that freelance. And right now, once you're done with that, you could just simply click on save. And once you do click on save, your URL file locker will be created. Click on get link. You could copy the link to your URL file locker and go on to creating a simple landing page. Now to create a landing page, we're going to utilize this platform called Google Site. Now if you do come onto Google Site, you can just simply click on this plus icon. Once you do click on that plus icon right now, you can actually hover around this section. Delete this particular section. You want to add in a text box, and that text box we're just going to type in something simple. And such simple stuff should be something like this, which says unlock your freelancing success. Now you want to just simply come right here, click on images, click on upload. I'm going to uploading the image from your device right now. So as you can see, this is the image. I'm just going to centralize this right now, and you may be wondering how I got this image. I got this image by coming onto this platform. Right click on this section, click on save image as. I'm going to saving the image on my device. That's how I got that image right now. So once you actually do that right there, you want to just simply add that image to this section. Once you're done, adding a new text box, and that text box you want to type in another stuff, which is quite simple. And if you do type in a content which says don't miss out on this exclusive guide tailored for freelancers like you, click the link below to claim your free copy now. Once you do put in something like this, you need to actually go on to add in a button. Now for your button, you can actually put in something like click here. So if I do put in something like click here, so for the link section guys, I'm just going to go on to pasting in the link to my URL file locker. So if I get back to Cpagrip, copy the link, head back to that particular platform, paste in that particular link, click on insert, and you can see right here the link has been added. I'm just going to drag and drop that right here, so that once somebody click on this section, it's automatically going to take them to my URL file locker right there. I could also add this to the image, that is that link to the image right there. So if I do click on that, click on apply, the link has been added to that image, and that's actually cool right now. So I can just simply click on publish. I'm going to give this particular section a name. So if I just select this right here, which is freelance for, this is actually a good domain right here that's available, and that has actually been published. I could just simply click here, copy the link, and go on to pasting that on this same page, and you'll be able to see how cool the page actually goes on to looking like. So you can see right here that this is how cool the landing page actually looks like right now. So basically, to promote this, we're just going to come onto this platform called YouTube, and I'm just going to come right here and search for how to make money on Fiverr. If you do go into searching for how to make money on Fiverr, so right now you can see a lot of options right here, which is how to make money using Fiverr and ChatGPT, how to make money on Fiverr without skills, how to make money on Fiverr, how to make money in Nigeria, and there are lots of videos right here on each topic right now. So supposing I do select this topic right here, I will be shown a lot of cool videos I could just simply go on to utilizing for this simple strategy. And what I'm going to do is to select a very cool one right now. You can see that there are a lot of cool videos right here. So what I'm going to do right now is to just simply select one of this video. If I do select that right now, I'm going to pause the video right now. So once I do pause the video right here, maybe I might need to play the video for just simply about 10 seconds right now. So I just need to go on to skipping this, and the video needs to play for at least 10 seconds. Once the video plays for at least 10 seconds, I need to go on to checking out the comment section of the video right now. As you can see, the video has actually reached a mark of 10 seconds. So I'm going to pause this and go on to the comment section right now. In this comment section guys, I can only see 2 comments right now. Since this particular video is actually getting lot of views right here, about almost 3,000 views, all I need to do right now is to type a very cool comment right there that says something like my Fiverr account has more money than Elon Musk, and people will be interested in that right there. So once I put in something like this that says my Fiverr account has more money than Elon Musk, so what I could do next right now is to actually head on to Google, search for font generator. You can see the first option which says quick tools by PixArt. Select that option right now. The page is going to load up. What I'm going to do right now is just simply going to type in something like check my bio or check my profile. So if I just select this check my profile option, I'm going to scroll through, and you can see lots of different fonts. I'm going to click on load more fonts, and I prefer using this particular one right here, which is actually kind of stylish. If I do copy this right now, I'm going to head back to that particular YouTube video, paste that in this section, and click on comment. Because I'm not actually going to be utilizing any link right here, because if I do utilize a link in this comment section, YouTube will actually find out and go on to removing that particular link right there. So which is why I'm not going to be removing that particular comment, which is why I'm not going to be utilizing a link for this right now. Instead, once I do make that comment right now, I'm just going to go on to checking out my channel. And if I do come right here, once I do come onto my channel right now, I'm just going to go on to clicking on view the channel. If I do click on view channel, as you can see, this is the channel right here. It was previously a weight loss channel, which was this right now, but right now I'm actually converting that to the freelancer network. So right now you could just simply go on to customizing your channel right there, where you just need to go on to changing that profile image right there to actually resonate with what you intend on doing. That is what you intend on focusing on. You could change this profile image to something like relating to freelance, and also the banner section right there. Now for the basic info, you actually need to go into giving this a name that's quite cool and resonates with that particular niche, something like freelance network. You can see the handle right now, you can see the description. Edit that to something like this, which says, hey guys, subscribe to follow my freelance journey on this channel. I have been using this method in this ebook and making money. I will upload videos soon, and you can actually tell them, click the link below to download the ebook for free. And once you tell them something like this, you can actually see a link option right here. You can click on add link, give a title to the link, ebook, and actually paste in the link to your landing page right now. So for a lot of people that will be interested in actually checking your profile, they will actually come onto this section and see those cool and amazing ebooks link right there in that your description, and they can actually go on to clicking on the link, which is going to take them to your URL file locker. First they need to complete an offer before they can gain access to that ebook, which is absolutely enriching right there. So you can actually utilize that as a very cool strategy to get lots of traffic to your CPA marketing offers and make money online. So what you want to do right now is to go on to as many other videos as you can, because we actually commented on just a single video. You can actually go on to as many other videos as you can and do this simple strategy and utilize that to go on to getting a lot of traffic to your CPA marketing offers. So I do hope this video was helpful. If you have any comments, leave that in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to give you a very cool reply right there. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.